Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'd like to explain about how to create a table in MS Word and how to insert rows in that table and how to insert columns in that table. Before going to that, a small request. Those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. And for latest update videos, press on that bell icon also. Now let us see the concept how to create a table, inserting rows and inserting columns. First of all, let us see how to create a table. We can create a table in Microsoft Word by three ways. Okay, now let us see the first one. The first one is for tables in Microsoft Word. So we have to click on this insert tab. In the insert tab, we have tables group. See here, in tables group, we have table option. Click on this drop down arrow button. By three ways, we can create the table by three methods. The first method is by using this grid lines. See here, these are called as grid lines. Okay, for example, I want the table with 4 rows and 4 columns. Here we are selecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns and 4 rows. This is the first row, second row, third row, fourth row. See here, this is the first method. We can create a table in Microsoft Word. That means the first method is by using grid lines method. Okay, right. To delete this one, right click here, click on cut. And what is the second method? See here, again in insert tab, in tables group, click on this drop down arrow button. So the previous one is, this is by using grid lines method. How many rows, how many columns you select here, that many, with that rows the table will be appear here. The second one is by using insert table option. See here, by using insert table option. So we have to click on this option, insert table. This is called as the insert table dialog box. Here we can give the number of columns and number of rows. Here we have to mention manually. We have to mention here the number of rows and number of columns. For example, I want the number of columns is equal to, for example, 6 and the number of rows is equal to 7. That means with 6 columns and 7 rows, I want the table. Just give the number here and click on OK. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. This is the second method by using insert table option. To delete this one, you have to click here, right click here, click on cut. And what is the third method? Again, you click on this insert tab, in tables group, click on this drop down table option, and here you observe draw table option is there na. By using this also we can create a table in Microsoft Word. Click on this draw table and you observe here the cursor is like a pencil. With this we can drag. See here. Okay, so like this we can draw the table directly. With this table we have to drag. See here. Okay, so this is the third method, right? So if you want to erase, means here eraser is there. By this eraser we can erase like this. Okay, so this is the third method. Okay, so we can create the table in Microsoft Word by using three methods. The first one is by using grid lines method, and the second one is by using insert table option, and the third one is draw table. Okay, so now let us see the concept, the next concept, how to insert rows in a table. See here, for that I am taking here 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, 1, 2, 3 columns table. 4 rows, 3 columns table. By using this grid line method, I am taking a table. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns and 1, 2, 3 rows. I have taken a table. For example, here I am typing like this: English, Hindi, Science. Right. I have typed like this. Okay. So now my requirement is, actually I have forgotten here, I want to insert math subject in between English and Hindi. Okay. I want to insert another row that is of maths. Okay. In between English and Hindi. I want to insert one row in between English and Hindi. So for that we have to keep the cursor in Hindi row. After that, in insert or right click here. Okay, your insert option is there na. We need a row here in between English and Hindi. So row above. Okay, row above. See here. Now here I am typing MATHS, maths. Suppose now I want the row in between Hindi and Science. Okay. So here, if you want the row in between Hindi and Maths, means the cursor is here, means we have to click on above, row above. But if we want the row in between Hindi and Science, means the cursor is at Hindi, means we have to click on the row below. So now our requirement is, I want to insert a row in between Hindi and Science. So right click, insert below now. Why? Because I want the row in between Hindi and Science. So that's why the cursor is at Hindi. So below I want. That's why here also insert row below. See here. Row is there. So this is how we can insert rows in a table in Microsoft Word. Okay. So once again I am telling, suppose if you want the cursor is here. For example, see here, the cursor is at social. If you want to insert the row in between Hindi and social, means you have to click on row above. Suppose if you want the cursor is at social, if you want to the row in between social and Science, means you have to click below the row. Right. Now here I want to insert columns. The third concept is insert columns. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns are already there. So I want to insert another column here. So right click, insert. See here, row, insert columns to the right side. See here, right side. One column is inserted. For example, if you want to insert column, see here, this is X, this is Y, A, B. Suppose you want to insert a column in between A and B. Okay. So for that, insert column left side in between A and B. See here, in between A and B column is inserted. For example, if you want to insert column in between B and X, so right side. See, right side. Okay. So this is how to create a table in Microsoft Word, and how to insert rows and how to insert columns in table in Microsoft Word. If you have any doubts or if you have any queries regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel, like it and share it to your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.